Using tags for your users. Tags are a really good way to actually filter users based on activity on your site. So a case example may be marketing funnel, and you've tagged them to come in on that funnel. This way you know exactly where your user has come from. Both forms, courses, and anywhere that you can send an automated email out to your user, you can use tagging. To view your tags, go to Site, go to People, and you'll see any tags that apply are included in here. You can also manually add a tag. If we go to the Edit button, we can go down to Tags, and you can see existing tags, but we can also create our own. Hit Enter, Save or Update, and now that user will have this new tag added. So it's very easy to go in and edit or remove tags. You can also filter based on tags as well. For filtering, please see the video on advanced filtering inside of the users or people area.